Welcome to Infynity Learns. I'm Infynity. Quick question. Have you ever watched a movie and thought, I want that? Instant teleportation. Portals, flash, boom, you're somewhere else. Sounds awesome. But what would teleportation really look like? Let's get honest. First, the problem everyone skips, energy. To shove a person through space at near light speed would cost more energy than you can imagine. And physics adds a second roadblock. Anything with mass can't hit light speed. So the fantasy of stepping through a glowing gate and zipping across the globe, not how the universe works. So here's the smarter idea. Don't move the mass, move the information. Picture this, a machine scans your entire body, every atom, every neural connection, every memory trace. Not a blurry selfie, an ultra-precise blueprint of you. That blueprint gets converted into a massive stream of data sent at light speed to a waiting receiver. At the other side, a second machine uses raw matter and energy to rebuild you, atom by atom, neuron by neuron, memory by memory. Translation, teleportation becomes disassembly, data transfer, reconstruction. It's more copy and rebuild than sci-fi teleport. Important reality check, we already have a tiny version of this idea in physics. Quantum teleportation transfers the state of a particle using entanglement. It doesn't move particles themselves, and it sure doesn't rebuild humans. Scaling that up, hugely, almost absurdly hard. The data to describe a human brain is astronomical. The precision and energy required for reassembly are enormous, and thermodynamics doesn't hand us any freebies. What does this mean for everyday life? Think less beam me to the cafe and more flight to a very advanced terminal. You wouldn't teleport to random streets, only to specialized receiving stations with huge energy farms and precision machinery. The system would be tightly controlled and expensive. It's teleportation for the few, not teleportation for everyone. And now the mind bender, identity. If a machine rebuilds a perfect copy of you, with your memories, your personality, your last coffee order, is that still you or a new person who thinks they are you? Science can design the machine, philosophy decides what a soul or identity really is. So, yes, teleportation may be possible someday, but don't expect magic. Expect reconstruction, infrastructure, and a stack of ethical questions. Would you step into a teleporter if it meant being disassembled and rebuilt somewhere else? Exactly the same, down to your memories? Tell me why or why not in the comments. I'll read the best replies and feature them in the next video.